heading you need to know. So still on the product section, if you want to edit or delete any product, just come to products, click on all products, click on all products. Okay, so you can see, so we have all the products here. So you can either click on, if for example this is the test product we did, you can click on delete to delete, then edit. If you click on edit, it will take you back to the previous page where you added the products, and you can edit to whatever you want. So that's basically how you edit or delete products. So it's very simple. It's very simple under product. Now if anybody should make order, automatically it should be processed, but in a case where it is not processed and you need to confirm, let's say you took an order through transfer and you need to process the order, you have to confirm transfer before you process it. Though there's no transfer option on your payment gateway, but in the future, if there's transfer, maybe you need to sell to your Nigerian clients and the likes. So you want to process that order, you want to check the order and everything, come to WooCommerce, click on orders. So there you can be able to see any order that was made on the website. So currently you don't have any order, so if you have any order, it will definitely be showing here. The mode of payment will be showing there. The order ID will be there. So whatever is done on the website will definitely be reflecting on your own dashboard, so you can control it. So after process, if the payment has been confirmed and everything, you can move any order from processing to completed, as the case may be. So that's most likely how you check the orders. You can also check the details of your customers. So when you click on customers, you see if there are any customers there. I don't think there's any customer for now. There's no customer because anyone has made payments. Let me see if I can do a test transaction. Let me see. Okay, let me just make a test transaction. It's just a test transaction anyway, so okay, let's see. Okay, okay, because it's a test transaction, I'm using this check payment. It's just for tests. We'll remove it anyway, just for me to test the transaction so that you can see the orders and the likes. Okay, let me do this. I think this order has been processed. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, so it was processed. I think it was the network that made that affected it the other time. All right. So when you click on orders, you can see that we now have my order, the order I just made. Now you can see this is a 56,000. So you can now click on the order, do whatever you have to do on it. If you want it to be, although this is on hold, the status is on hold because we used a check payment, or even if it is bank transfer, this is how it will look like, because it will be somehow for something that is coming through a bank transfer to be automatically completed. Definitely your customers will be scamming you or dupe you, as the case may be. So this is the best for check payment and for for bank transfer. But if it is payment gateway, once the payment, the paper, once the payment is completed, paper should receive the payment, automatically it will process the order. They will be able to download and everything. You don't have to start coming to this place and to complete the order. No. The reason why you have to, this one is on hold, is because it is a check payment or bank transfer. You have to confirm bank. So when you now confirm bank transfer from your own end, you can now move the order. You can now change the order status from hold to completed. Then you update. When you update, the customer will get an email, definitely an email that your order has been made and everything, and they can now have access to download. Even if they go to they can easily log in anytime on the website to check their what's it called, order. Let me check the order now. Well, I should have even showed you how it was before, but still the same thing. So let's see the order. So you can see now the status is completed. I didn't make it completed from my hand as the admin. It won't be completed. So they can now view the order. If it's something that requires download, they can download. But that product has no item in it, so there's nothing. Adibin has a file to be downloaded. It will reflect here. They will be able to download, or they come to downloads. And they can click on it. But currently we have that. So that's most likely how. Let's see the customer now. You see that we now have a customer. You can delete all these things, all these parameters. You can delete them anyhow. So these are basically the things you need to run your shop. Yes, let me put it that way. To run your shop. So what else? Okay, you'll be able to. Okay, you are an admin. So okay, the reason why we are not seeing any customer here is because the same account, which is the admin account, was what I used to make order. So definitely it won't be showing here. An admin can be a customer anymore. So an admin is definitely different from a customer. So that's about that. Now to make a blog post, this is where you do where you come to post, click on add new. It's almost the same thing with adding a product. The only difference is, in short, there's no difference. The only difference is the pricing and what have you. Okay, let's see how the interface looks like. Okay, so you can see here, title, a new blog post, a new blog. So the content of the blog, you can start typing here. So you can start typing the blog post. So when you finish typing your blog post, whatever if it is picture you want to add, just follow the steps. Follow the what's it called? You can click this plus sign, so you'll be able to add image. So it's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. Then after typing the text of the blog post, come to post here. Come to post, scroll down and add category of your post. Whatever category you want, type it there, or you okay, the whatever category you want, just choose the category, choose your tag, just the way you did for the product. Click featured image, you select your image, and then you publish. So when you do that, everything will be set. So that's most likely, that's basically the things you need to run your website. I'm sorry. I need to go.